Evel Knievel fired into the sky and his parachute blew open instantly, because on September 8, 1974 he had packed 35,000 people into the Idaho desert and sold pay-per-view seats worldwide just to watch him rocket across the Snake River Canyon in a steam-powered contraption called the Skycycle, and the second that thing launched the chute deployed early, the thrust died, and he drifted helplessly down into the canyon below, nearly drowning in the river at the bottom before crawling out alive, which means the most death-defying stunt Evel Knievel ever pulled off wasn't the jump, it was surviving his own rocket misfiring in front of the entire world, and somehow that made him more legendary than if he'd actually made it.